Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2018 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, FWD, rear defrost. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.